sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.